Just pulled in my car. Car's still running, but I'm gonna get it from here. I'm up in Hamilton today with Buckeye Freight Railin and Adventure with Joey Boats. Just got here. I stopped to vote, and that's the difference between me being in the car and out of the car. Still got my seatbelt on. These look like empty auto racks. Oh, that's different. Sorry about that. And getting my finger in the way. Grand Trunk. Still see a few of them here and there. Sounds like there's a northbound coming. I hope this thing gets out of the way so we can see it. I'm going to try to get out of my car here. How about that? Got to meet. And a horn salute. Looks like I got here just in time. Like I said, I stopped to vote, and if I hadn't done that, I would have got the whole first train, but at least I still did get the locomotives. Better to vote in the morning where I'm at. It's not nearly as busy. And it's windy today. Trying to block the wind and got my hand in there. Main Central boxcar. No Grafton and Upton, I guess, with that big G on there. Hey, gone. Cold wind. Turn around here a little bit. Maybe that'll help with the wind. It's Buckeye Freight Railin and Joey Boats down there. Wow, I didn't know it was going to be this windy today. Man, this is unreal. Comes an old Pan Am car too. There's another one you don't see very often. I hear some rumblings. It's like 35 degrees out here right now. The wind's blowing about 20 miles an hour and I got a sweatshirt on. I am freezing. A lot of new steel there too. Empty steel coil cars. Well, this is a never-ending train here. It's still coming around the curve down there. Sorry about the wind, can't do anything about that. Yeah, that guy would have waited about another 30 seconds. He'd have gone through there. Comes the end of the train now. Well, I have to say that's a heck of a way to start the day. Got a twofer right off the bat, so hope you liked it. Sorry about the wind, but that's the way it goes sometimes. But I'm gonna get back in my white car here and warm up, so thanks for watching, everybody. Sure do appreciate it. Right, we got I-140 or 142, I don't really know the number. Intermodal. Looks like they're going to fix the divot in the track today. Another horn salute. came up here today because I'm going to be busy tomorrow, and so I figured I better come up here. I get a lot of trains, so I can make a couple videos out of that. I didn't know it was going to be so windy. Well, if they could do one thing to make it better for us rail fans here, they could bury all these electric lines. Wouldn't have those telephone poles in the way, but that goes with the territory. So in the morning, you have to be on this side of the tracks, or else you'll be filming straight into the sun. You can't see anything if you're on the other side. Later today, I'll move to the other side. There won't be any poles in the way. There's that goofy thing again. We got a big string of empties coming here. Out there working on the track. Looks like we got a cutting torch or a grinder. That's a torch. Well, he's welding. Alrighty, there we go. Thanks for watching. Got the local coming back here. I don't know what's going on with them not using the caboose. I haven't seen it for a while. They're still working on that divot in the crossover track there. I think he's about got it done. He's welding in a new piece of rail. Been there for about an hour now. Alrighty, we got that one in. Should be some long ones coming soon. There's that sound we all love to hear. Oh, the wind's terrible here today. We got a mixed manifest here. They're done working on the tracks down there. They got that low spot all welded up now. Probably been well over an hour since the last train came through. Hoping we get a bunch of southbounds now that they got that track fixed. If it's like yesterday in Glendale, we're probably going to get about 3 or 4 northbounds in a row here. This is about the time of day it started yesterday. Another Wisconsin Central car. See them a lot now. There's a big white Ninja on that one. He needs to learn how to spell. All right, we're gonna hang around for some more action here. Stick around.